Hi guys, it's Diane from Di's Crafty Corner. Today I get to share with you a few products from the Box of the Month Club from December. This box is called Lots of Love or hashtag N2S Lots of Love. So let me show you some of the products involved for today. Okay, so today we're going to be playing with the stamp set. This is one of the stamp sets from the kit. This is called Love for Latte. It features 4 cups that either hold hot beverages or maybe cold beverages, all just super beautiful with some great sentiments. The pad that goes with it is called Lattes of Love, and it's equally as beautiful. I have already stamped out my images and cut them out, and they're ready for me to play with. Today I'm going to be using only one of these images and a few of the hearts. And a little tiny sentiment for my first card. My second card that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be focusing on this ephemera, and I am crazy about the ephemera. Now the ephemera also matches this pad of paper. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty. It's very, very pretty, guys. So I'm going to be picking out a few pieces. Right now I'm just kind of showing you what's there. There's really pinky colored cups and little cups that have whipped cream and hearts on them, and it's a very sweet set. It's I want to say it's almost like a beigey with pinks and reds, and it's really very pretty. So you get 2 or 3 of each thing. There's lots of hearts, there's lots of cookies, there's lots of chocolates. There are lots of cup combinations, 1 cup, 2 cups together, 3 cups together, and then we have all 4 cups together. So that's a lot of fun. I cannot wait to play with this. I am going to make a card out of this today as well, just because I think it is just adorable. Okay, so now I want to show you the paper pad. So the paper pad is perfect for both this stamp and the ephemera that came with it. So I'm just flipping through so you can see. The papers are reddish pink, gold, white, and tan are the main colors. And the papers are just beautiful. They're absolutely gorgeous. I really wanted to showcase the paper as much as possible. So I think I've picked a couple of pieces that I think are going to be perfect for this project. So here is the cup that I colored. I went ahead and I colored a cup, the XOXO, and a couple of the hearts. And now we're going to put together the card. So I chose the pink paper with the latte cups and a white top folding card. I cut out a pink scalloped, maybe scalloped is a scallop rose, or doily rose, maybe a doily rose colored heart is what I did. So right now I picked out my paper. I've left a little bit of white around it like I normally do, and I'm going to add my white piece, my white heart, to the back of this doily heart. That way I'm going to have a little centering piece that has white for my little cup to sit on, to kind of showcase my cup. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to put a thicker piece of foam on the back of that so it can sit nicely on the card and be popped up. I'm going to curl up the edges a little bit as well to just have it pop up a little bit more and give it some dimension. And then I'll go ahead and stick it down and get it straight. Always got to get it straight. I am sorry, today I'm doing a voiceover because all of my windows were open today. We had an AC issue, and it was very loud with the cars going by. So I've had to do a voiceover this evening, and I do apologize. So I think so far this is super cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and get some foam on my cup, and I'm going to center my little foam cup in the middle of that heart. I did a combination of colors for my cup. I kept the whipped cream light. I added some diamond stickles around. I did my straws and my hearts in the cup and the hearts on the putting it on the side to be a combination of a pinky pink. So that's the colors you're looking at. That's the colors I kind of chose for this. So I've got 3 little hearts that I'm going to splatter around, just gluing them down. I'm going to put 2 on the left side and 1 on the right side. And yeah, I think this is so cute. Again, I've put some diamond stickles on the little hearts and on the heart in the middle of the card. And then I'm placing that little XOXO that I colored right on the top. And I think this is just stinking adorable. It is so cute. Okay, so for the second card. For the second card, it's going to be a top folding landscape card. And I'm just gluing it down to the white panel. It's the same size as the panel, so I'm just gluing it down to the panel. And isn't that paper pretty? It's so pretty. So for this one, I'm going to use the little ephemera that had the 3 cups, I believe. And I'm going to use a couple of the hearts and the love as well. So for the cups, oh no, I think I'm going to use I'm going to use a oval. There it is. I'm going to use an oval to center my cups on. So then I'm going to put that on, and it has a thicker backing on it so that it pops up. And then I'm going to add these 2 little hearts. Now these 2 little hearts I want to play off of the design in the ephemera. So in the ephemera piece that I'm putting on there, it's got 2 hearts sticking up on it, and I want these 2 hearts to be kind of the same way. So I'm futzing around with them, trying to get them to be just right. Turns out it's a little harder than I thought it was going to be. And I'm going to place the taped down cups right on top of it to hold it in place once I get it just right. I'm going to be putting my love down at the bottom. And we're just going to play with that for another minute or 2, it looks like. Yeah, still playing with those hearts. I have to say, when I had them laid out, it was perfect, but... All right, then I also popped up. Now, on those cups is a little cookie, but I wanted my cookie to be popped up. So I took a cookie, an extra cookie from the ephemera pack, and I popped up my little cookie on the bottom of my scene, right next to the cup where the other cookie was sitting. And then I'm taking the love and I'm placing it a little bit behind that cookie and then across the bottom, but like trailing off onto the scallops on one side. And I just think that that turned out so cute. So this one was just strictly paper and ephemera. And I'm telling you, I am such a fan of the ephemera. I have fallen in love with it. Between that and the paper, it is such an easy way to make cards. And they're always pretty. They are always perfectly matched, and they're just so pretty. So a little bit later in the month, I'm going to use 2 of the coffee cups together for another one that I'm going to color the coffee cups, and then I'll be doing one more ephemera piece as well. That'll be a little bit later on. For this card, I chose not to put any glitter or anything on it. I really liked it just the way it was. So that's the way I'm leaving it. And yeah, I just think it's super cute. I had a little bit of a hard time getting my love to stay where I wanted it to be. I had to add a piece of foam in the middle towards the end there, but it's so cute, isn't it? Turned out so sweet. So sweet. I just love it. So here the 2 of them are. They'll be at the end as well for you to see them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can go on over to the Not Too Shabby shop and order what you want over there. But I am having a ball with this month's box of the club. Again, it is called Lots of Love. And it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.